Hey everyone, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel, Deep's Home Life. Hope you are all doing well. Today I'm sharing a Korean chili cheese toast. So let's start. Before that, if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel. This recipe I saw on Instagram and I thought let me try. So for this recipe is very simple and it's super easy to make and that you can give it to your child in a lunchbox also. So add parsley, chili flakes, black pepper, salt and honey into butter. Butter should be in a room temperature. Spread this on a bread. Add cheese slice or more grated cheese. Layer it with another and repeat process. Lastly, cut it into small square as you can see in my video and then bake it or air fry it and enjoy. Hope you like it and don't forget to like, share and comment. See you soon. Till then take care. Bye. Annyeong.